In Magix, you can use honeycomb structures to make parts lighter and more cost-efficient without compromising their stability. These structures are especially useful for prototypes, functional parts, and applications where weight plays a critical role. After loading the part, first check if it has any errors. Then, open on the lattice ribbon the honeycomb lattice function. There are two basic ways to define a honeycomb structure: local and global. With the local definition, the honeycomb structure is created only around the marked triangles. In contrast, the global definition applies the honeycomb structure to the entire part. Let's take a closer look at the possibilities of the global honeycomb structure. First, you can adjust parameters such as wall thickness, hole diameter, and the infill thickness, the space between the cells, to meet your specific requirements. If you want the part to be open in certain areas, you can activate the corresponding option. Additionally, a special setting, Make Smooth Honeycomb, allows you to create rounded corners in the honeycomb cells. Once you have defined all the desired parameters, click the OK button. This will calculate the lattice and add the honeycomb structure to the part. It is important to note that the honeycomb cells may not be fully generated at the edges of the part. This often results in small voids that can be difficult to clean after printing. These voids can potentially affect the functionality of the part. To avoid this issue, you can activate the Filter Partial Honeycomb option. The filter ensures that incomplete honeycomb cells at the edges of the part are not generated. This not only makes post-processing easier, but also improves the overall quality of the printed part.